How can I clearly measure organic sales versus PPC-driven sales? You cannot always clearly measure. The reason why I'm saying that to you is because PPC sales, you can see from, okay, that is what my ad console says. But what if you're running also Google ads and Facebook ads, and these are kind of like brand halo effect on actually your Amazon ads are going to be the ones that are bringing the outcome rather than you seeing the, from Facebook, it went to Amazon, and from Amazon actually purchased it on Amazon, or, oh, it bounced back to my website. So that is really important to understand. But if we're taking it as high level as possible and zooming out for clarity, it's relevant to ACAS. So whatever it is brought by advertising only on the ad platform, Amazon ad platform, that is your PPC sales. And whatever it is organic, we should assume that it is not from those. Also really important to understand how ranking works, especially whenever you are going for a keyword. What can happen also is whenever you ranked high enough a keyword and you're ranking already on the first page of Amazon for that keyword, what can happen is that, again, with advertising, you can decide to not anymore run ads towards that keyword, and you're still going to get sales. So technically, you're not anymore investing in ads, but you're still getting the sale. But you previously did invest it in ads, so now you're organically ranking. Now people actually, whenever with that keyword, they're looking for a product that solves a similar problem to whatever your product solves, they're going to pick your product. That it means that it's still now organic sales. So this is why I was saying that it's just a bit more, it's a cluster effect or halo effect rather than input-output. So you understand also the strategy behind.